Hey guys, Super Flashlight Rail Productions. I'm reviewing Bachmann Knapford Station Building Kit review. So, this set was released in 2011. As I was saying, this Sodor scenery was released in 2011. So as you can see, the bricks are red, there's gray, sort of like a white gray, and green. And this is Knapford Station. And I do have some pieces for the set, which I'm going to show you. So these are the pieces for these are like extra pieces in case if you lose any of them. And over here we have numbers for a track, even though that they are 2 tracks, but that's okay. And suspenders with the signs that read Knapford. Here are the stickers. And behind them are like steel structures that are green, which they really are pretty cool. If you guys want to see them again, I'll show you. Knapford Station suspender signs. Okay. And the number signs. Here are the stickers, green steel structure supports. Okay, sorry about that. Just some catchy song. It's just me breathing. Anyway, here are some extra pieces in case if you lose any of them, which I'll just put them right here. Okay, as I was saying, which I don't lose any of them. Just to let you guys know. What's really cool about Knapford is that it's really big, but it got discontinued. The same year that Timid Sheds got discontinued. And the Timid Sheds expansion pack is still available. But I'm going to show you some details. So, here is the top station. And, whoops. That's one side. Here's the side of the station, and here's the opposite side, even though the roof is a little bit tilted, but that's okay. Here's a good front view. Here comes Scorin' Express coming through! And here's the opposite side, which I just need to move the stickers. Whew. Here's the opposite side. Now, those stickers are they're like extra numbers if you buy like another Knapford Station building kit, which I'm not going to do that, so it is really cool actually. Here's another good front view, even though my window's in the way. So, okay, that should be it. So, I am about to end this episode, and let me just put the extra pieces back over there. And like I always say at the end of an episode, okay, like I always say at the end of the episode, like and subscribe. Okay. Wait a minute, before I say that, okay, that's my episode on Bachmann Knapford Station building kit. So, that's my episode on, okay, that's my episode on Bachmann, okay, that's my episode on Bachmann Knapford Station building kit review. And, like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. And for the next upcoming episodes. Bye.